Dear Father Joveleka, our principal, Sister Victoria, the superior of Auxilium Convent and vice principal, our pioneer guests, those who are invited today, Mr. Manoranjan Debarma, the General Secretary of CLT Agartala, Sir Ramanando Debarma, Mr. Sukodev Debarma, Vishwadev Debarma, Raj Kumar, the headmaster at Sridham Cobra, also pioneer here, Sir Muchang, parents and past peoples, and many of them, those who are not present, they were pioneers and they have given a very good contribution to our school. We are celebrating the Foundation Day. What is Foundation Day? Foundation Day is starting day of our school. So it started in the year 2009. You have heard from different speakers the difficulties and hardships that they had to go through. We cannot even imagine the difficulties that they had to go through. And yet they had done with love. They had endured the pain and suffering, the inconveniences that they went through for the love of you, love of us, the future generation. You have heard from the past peoples, also from Sir Manoranjan Debarma. Maybe some of them he highlighted. They have great hope for you all. I will ask you, maybe not a quiz. I am also going to ask questions. These two girls, I am going to ask questions. I am not able to see the face to ask you names. I am trying to recall. Jackson. Where is Jackson? Class 6. Jackson. Lift your hand. All those who are Jackson. There may be many. Jackson. Okay, one of them. Here. My question is, what do you understand by Gopal Kahan? Simple question. So we heard many of them saying Gopal Kahan. What is the meaning of that one? Lucky. Very good. Sit down. So you are lucky. You are lucky that you are here because the pioneers, they made sacrifice for you all. So that is why you are Gopal Kahan. Because you are getting all the opportunities, the best facilities that you can think of. And so you have to make use of the opportunities. Then only it will be Gopal Kahan. But if you don't use of the opportunities, let us say paying attention in the class, the facilities that are available, playground, nice classrooms, stage is here, let us say the opportunities given to you for acting, singing, dancing, and maybe other competitions are there, football, basketball, badminton, and other competitions, quiz competitions. If you participate well, with interest, with love, then only you are Gopal Kahan. Otherwise your Gopal Kahan is not Gopal Kahan. We have to thank our parents because they are making sacrifice. The money and the time that they are using for you is out of love. So you should be grateful to them. The best way of being grateful to them is to use the time and opportunities well and learn well. Maybe another point that Sir Manoranjan mentioned was this. Without education, today you are zero. You have to really learn things, not only how to read and write, but also you have to become expert in different departments. Also art of listening. Hello, look this side. You also must learn how to listen, to be attentive, to be alert, to be able to grasp what others are saying. Then only you will be lucky. Otherwise you are unlucky. So you have to grow with the time. You have to update yourself with the time. You have to run with the time. Then only you are lucky. Otherwise you are unlucky. On this occasion, when we are celebrating Foundation Day, I sincerely thank all those leaders of ours who have contributed. It must have been a very difficult moment for them, and yet love of the future generation. They have given their time, their energy, their money, their everything that they could give. They contributed. It must have been a very tough time looking at the situation all around. Even to this day, let us say beginning from 2009, Father Thomas and Bhaskar Raj and George and Remol and Father Davies and Hubert and Father Joel and Dinesh and many others. There were also sisters, those who were the Sister Basilda, and together with her many other sisters, teachers, parents, past pupils, then people of this place. They gave their time, their energy. Dear friends, today we are enjoying because they have sacrificed their good time for us, thinking of us. So we are lucky, we are fortunate to make use of this, let us say, structure that we have, the atmosphere that we have, the place that we have for our well-being. Development means change. Change means growth. And so we have to think in that line, bringing about change in our thinking, in our attitude, in our talking, in our way of doing things, in our relationship with one another, and all that. That will bring us progress, that will bring us, let us say, development, that will bring us prosperity. Then we will become leaders, engineers, doctors, politicians, and maybe good parents too. We sincerely thank all the leaders, especially those who have, from the beginning onwards, those who have contributed for our school here, our parish and this locality. Dear leaders, during this morning, during the Holy Cross, Holy Mass, we remembered you all and we thank God for the contribution that you have given to our institution, Don Bosco Mandai. May it grow and become big and bring out many good leaders, many good engineers, doctors, philosophers, theologians, and maybe good parents, good leaders for our land. Wishing all of us all the best in our journey towards our student life and maybe life after that. I sincerely thank in the name of the community all those leaders, pioneer leaders, they have responded and came to be with us, part of this celebration. Many could not come. I also take this opportunity to thank all our teachers, present teachers, those who have taken up this leadership to prepare, let us say, items and also decorated this place, sound system, dancing, singing, and other activities connected with today's celebration. I sincerely thank Father Jewel and Vice Principal Sister Victoria and other teachers for organizing today's program. So from 2009 onwards, different teachers and principals and the parish priests and others, they have given their very best in order to bring about, let us say, growth and development, change and progress in our school. May God bless them for their contribution, and we are benefiting from their hard work, their struggle, their love, and we thank God for all this. We present students, it is our duty therefore to make use of the opportunity and carry forward the struggle they had put in order to, let us say, make this institution better. And it is our duty therefore to listen attentively in the class or wherever it is, let us say, knowledge is imparted to us in different forms, not only in the classroom, but in the playground, in the stage, and maybe other places. Once again, I thank everyone for your cooperation.